How to create a guest list on Eventbrite. After you have created your Eventbrite account, I want you to go over to the top left hand corner and select events. From there, you're going to tap on create new event and we're going to tap on start from scratch. After selecting start from scratch, you can upload photos or videos related to the event. So we could tap on upload image and I'm just going to be adding a random photo for this example. After you have done that, you're going to tap on save. You could also upload a video if you want. By scrolling down, you could tap on upload video and you're going to give your event a name. So I'll just call it test. So I'll type that in right here and you can also add in a summary. After doing that, you're going to scroll down and you can select the location of your event, whether it be online or to be announced or a physical venue. We're going to be selecting to be announced. Then I'm going to scroll down. Now to add hosts or guests, better yet, a guest list, what you're going to do is right where you see lineup, you could tap right there and I can tap on see examples and you can see how it looks. So you can see multiple speakers. Now what we're going to do next, you're going to tap on OK, I'm ready, and you'll tap on add. And from here, you'll be able to input their name. After adding their name, you can also add their social media accounts. So I'm just going to be adding, for example, that person. You can search for them on Spotify or so on. You can, if they're on Spotify, then you'll be able to add in a description. After doing that, you can also scroll down and you can add more persons by tapping on add another. After selecting add another, you can put in the person's name again and then you'll be able to add more. Another thing that you could also do right where you see agenda, you can tap on add. And from here, you'll be able to add in the title and you'll be able to add the host or artist by tapping on host right here. After you have selected host, you'll be able to put in the host name. And you can select their start time. And you can select their end time. And you could give it a quick title. Then after doing that, you can add more slots by tapping on add slot. And you can also add description. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save and continue to continue with the editing of it. So I'm just going to be deleting that and we could tap on save and continue and you can continue with the editing of your event. Thank you for watching. Hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.